My favorite part working here at Microdrones is that every inquiry from every customer is different and every day is a new challenge and a new adventure.
The challenges that we are helping our clients to work with are the possibilities.
Microdrones can help us in applications like geologic, archaeologic, terrain mapping, construction sites.
Our customers need great results in agriculture, constructions, inspection of the electricity. It's many different applications and we look in the best solution for us.
When we talk about success stories for customers, we always try to help them to do their jobs or get their jobs done in a more efficient way.
One of our customer success stories would probably be a client that is working in precision agriculture. So they use our LiDAR system to detect the health of the crops. So they fly on a regular basis and they take back the data, they analyze it, and they will be able to tell if they need to spray less pesticides, for example, and where to spray them exactly.
The customer's success story that I can share is we were flying over the power lines with our LiDAR system. It was easy, quickly done. We've done it way quicker than the other solutions.
Started working with Microdrones in 2016 and we are happy to cooperate with a company like this.
I can recommend Microdrones as a partner because they don't only build drones, they are interested in solutions.